Hi guys, in this video let's work on dual axis. Likewise we did in last video in maps, we will work on dual axis and we will use bar chart and line chart. Let's get it started and pick state for the analysis, place it in columns. Let's do profit and quantity analysis. Pick quantity and place it on rows. So this is bar chart which is automatically created. Pick profit and again place it on rows. So now we can see that two charts are created, but we don't want two charts, we want dual axis, which means we just want one view but see two dimensions or two measures. Go to this drop down and click dual axis. So now we have one view but we are using two measures, which is profit and quantity. But instead of circles, let's change it. Go to quantity and let's make it bar, and for profit let's make it line. So now we can see that we can now do analysis by states. For example, if I talk about Michigan, we have lower quantity sold, but we have, in proportion to quantity, we have very high profit for it. Similarly, if I talk about the highest uh, the states which have the highest sales with respect to quantity, which is California and New York. So if I talk about California, the quantity is 7667, but with its proportion we can see that the line that profit is up to some extent uh, as per the quantity. But if I talk about New York, we can see that the quantity sold in New York has generated a very higher profit with respect to California. So we can do such type of analysis using these dual axis maps, not dual axis map, dual axis charts, and we can draw various charts like line chart, bar chart, and you can see some other options like circle. So we can see the circles now, but the better view is line chart and bar chart. And now we can add few details on the chart like profit on the label. We can see the profits, like how much profit we actually did, because this line is showing up to some extent. We can get an idea like this is around if sorry on the right side, if we can see that 74,000 something, but to get the exact figure we have to actually put it on labels. Now you can do some formatting on it, let's ignore for now. And this is how we do create dual axis using bars and lines. You can of course change it from here to make it other types. So thanks guys for watching this video, see you guys soon.